Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Ina, are you crazy, Ina? Hey, your head. Last time I can let you free because you don't know the hole yet, no? The hole to the roof. Now Shakina know if I let her free, she will go out through that hole and play on the roof. This fella cannot be trusted at all. Understand? Shakina, do you understand? Oh my God, why must you do that? Why must you do that? Huh? Why must you try to pull my shirt? You blinkon. You know what is the meaning of blinkon? I also don't know what is the meaning. You crazy, you know, Ina. I told you. Hi, Kakak. Why you didn't eat your fruit? You disturb JK, right? Yeah, I told you. Huh? I didn't tie her, I told you. No? I just want to make him squeeze your head. You bloody head, bloody scramble. Shaki is better. Keep quiet. Hi, JK. Don't, Shakina. What are you doing? Scooby-Dooby-Doo? Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? Ha ha ha! Kina! You Hi. Why every day I need to shout to you, Shakina? Why? Why don't you be like JK and Shaki? Very peaceful, quietly. Don't play. Oh my goodness. Don't make me headache. You crazy? No, don't try to catch me. Give me back. Give me back. You. Abang want to groom my leg, right? What? What? Don't want. You don't want. You bad girl. Bad girl, bad girl, bad girl. You see, bad girl, bad girl, bad girl. You see. You want to sleep? JK? You want to sleep now? Oh, excuse me.